So it begins.
I think y'all need to turn the heat off.
Shit, which one is it? First it's too cold, now
Three
it's
of
too
y'all,
hot.
man, and the struggle is real.
Man, this is probably the worst one to ever be done in my car.
It should just pop out though.
At this point, it really don't matter if we brick it.
Yeah,
No, it don't.
I mean, I got
You getting all new shoes?
I got a spare one, but hey.
I know you get about
You got about 15 injectors now.
yeah, 2 6.
Oh shit!
Hey,
That's
yeah,
just
there's
still going.
some shit in there.
Don't tell me some shit.
All right, YouTube, you saw that shit? Don't do what he's doing. Pouring damn gasoline everywhere. You wanna make
Some
sure?
of them O-rings stuck inside that motherfucker.
Yeah, they're just right there.
Okay, I got something.
Hopefully your car doesn't like spontaneously combust with all this gas everywhere.
Let me make sure I cleaned it all up.
Let's hope not. Most of all the O-rings stuck in there.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it.
You gotta get them motherfuckers out.
I think this is the only one that probably ain't stuck in there. Good thing I got the charger.
Hey, did you get gaskets?
No. Oh, it already has gaskets.
Like new ones?
They don't only have.
No, you don't. It blow right on.
I always like using new gaskets. That way you know it never leaks.
Shit, they look new. Take this shit off.
I'm not telling you.
Struggle is real. You got hot?
Hell yeah.
Did you get hot? Because there's 3 of y'all right now, and it's real.
It's on snap. Damn, I pushed back.
Oh, you. You asshole.
I hit that. Put the camera on, please.
Looks like you got.
Hey,
Looks like you got a.
You just sitting there looking at it.
Yeah, I was trying to hand him the magnet. And he just looking at it. I was like, fine, then you just take it off. I don't. You can lose the bolt. I don't care. Not my fault.
No, you can leave it on there. Leave it on there.
I gotta put it down there.
It's ready to lift up.
Yeah.
You all right?
Look at I'm bolted first.
I thought you already did.
Did you not do that side? What the hell are you doing? You slacking.
Hey, you had the shit.
I'm not doing all the work, damn it.
Oh yeah. You gotta
No, this shit's zip tied.
No, you just break it off. Break it off.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna need it.
Cut them.
Huh. Just break them off. Put the hose back
I need something.
up. Huh.
What the hell this gonna break?
Break them motherfucker, yeah.
You see him? Yeah.
Damn, Jay working in his car?
Right? He don't even do his own oil change.
What? I just did my own asshole thing. What the fuck?
What the hell are you doing over there?
There's another one.
Another one.
This damn hose in the back.
And another
I
one.
can't see it though.
There's a flashlight.
struggle is being real.
Thought you couldn't see it.
It's bullshit. Look at all this shit in here.
Clean up all your mess. Your shit oily as hell.
It's
bro.
out.
That shit wasn't like that.
Did you have your oil separator on
No.
before? Man, fuck you.
You ever trying to rev that bitch up to the moon and shit.
Mustang problems, my nigga. Hey.
How many miles do you have on?
For me.
40. Alright guys, so we got the new one on. Got the old one over there.
The boss. Got the boss.
You do realize you're gonna have to get a whole.
I'm not getting a Mustang anymore, but go ahead.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get back with you guys once we get it figured out for the purge valve, because if you be like me, you don't want to waste money on an installation kit. You really don't have to waste your money on that. You
And
just
not have
relocate it
everything.
down here so you don't have to extend the wires and everything. But we'll get back with you guys. Alright, so making sure we get everything done right with all this high-tech equipment.
I mean, you gotta make sure you do it right.
Did you hear that?
Plug this ring, bro. I ain't gonna say nothing else.
This is how.
Oh yeah, this is the way how you don't do the Boss 302 kit.
What's it called though?
Hey, got
We
you.
kind of rigging it a little bit, but I mean everybody does it, so
Except me.
yeah, except for this rich guy. Even though it don't cost that much.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you rerouting? The coolant hose?
You know, it's,
Oh, that's how you do it.
You probably need to,
I gotta cut this
yeah,
shit.
cut it some more. This shit long as hell, like, damn.
No!
Bro.
Oh my god.
Damn.
So many things have been lost in this car.
You know you gotta find a nut in the fucking injector. Yeah.
Oh shit!
what
I
else
forgot
is you
about the
gonna drop?
injector. There's an injector down
Bro, not
there.
that short, bro. What the hell
I'm
you
trying
doing?
to see.
So anybody want a free injector? Just follow him around town. Eventually it'll
Let me
fall
see.
out.
This motherfucker's not gonna fall out.
It's not, I'm telling you. Like, that shit's sealed.
All right, wherever that went, that's where the nuts gotta be.
Give me that shit,
What the
Again.
Are you
Got this
serious?
big ass fucking
All right, do
ring,
you want
bro.
me to do it?
This motherfucker fat as hell. There you go.
Alright guys, we got everything done. As you can see, it's sitting up over there. But these things take forever to load. I'm getting an engage sometime soon.
Oh, dude. So he sent me the thing.
And Ricky made it.
I looked at the website. It went on Amazon,
Gang.
and I found him.
That's what I'm saying when you started. Motherfucker. They ain't sleep. They ain't sleep now. Scared the fuck out of them.
That's what you need in your life right there.
Nah, I need to be in LS. What you talking about? tripping. LS, homie. Hold on. Like for LS, comment for Coyote.
That don't look right, kinda, cause you like that didn't look right, cause you like right behind me. So,
Oh, I was some
No
feedback. It
homo.
wasn't gay.
but anyway, guys, that's gonna be about it for this video. We finna go ahead and finish this up with. His name is Slow Yodi on Instagram. We finishing up his car with the radiator support. He don't want to be on camera, but look at this ugly dude.
I don't know what it's leaking for here, man.
Hey, you on camera?
Oh, they probably just drained it from the oil thing. Give me the fucking camera, bro. Booty eating ass.